Job evaluation, as some might ask, is a systematic process for determining the relative value of different jobs within an organization. It's pivotal because it establishes equitable compensation structures, informs HR decisions, and rewards employees fairly. Let's take a closer look at the key concepts related to job evaluation. Firstly, equity in compensation. Job evaluation ensures employees are paid based on the value of their work, aligning with organizational goals and industry standards. Next, it allows us to compare different jobs objectively by assessing responsibilities, skills, and working conditions, assigning a relative value to each. This process also promotes fairness and transparency. It builds trust and reduces disputes by basing compensation on objective evaluations. Moreover, job evaluation supports HR decisions. It provides valuable data for workforce planning, talent management, and organizational design, identifying areas for potential adjustments. Lastly, it aids in legal compliance. It demonstrates adherence to equal pay laws and regulations. The process begins with job analysis, which is a deep dive into each job, collecting details about responsibilities, qualifications, skills, and working conditions. The next step is the selection of an evaluation method. Here, you choose a method aligned with your needs, such as point factor, ranking, or classification. The third step involves evaluating jobs. Here, each job is assessed using the chosen method, applying score systems or evaluation criteria. Afterwards, you determine pay grades by grouping similar jobs into pay grades or levels to establish a consistent pay structure. Lastly, you implement compensation changes based on the evaluation results, ensuring fair pay for all roles. Job evaluation has numerous benefits. It increases employee morale and retention as employees feel valued and rewarded for their contribution. It reduces compensation-related disputes by offering a transparent and objective system. It also improves talent acquisition and management, enhances cost-effectiveness, and strengthens your employer brand. However, there are challenges and considerations as well. These include subjectivity and bias, cost and time commitment, change management, and the need for continuous monitoring and review. The objectives of job evaluation revolve around creating a fair, transparent, and efficient compensation system that aligns with organizational goals, supports talent management, and ensures legal compliance. Equitable compensation. Ensure fairness in compensation by systematically assessing and valuing different job roles within the organization. Job evaluation helps establish a structured and unbiased approach to determining pay scales. Internal equity. Achieve internal equity by ensuring that jobs of similar value and complexity receive comparable compensation. This fosters a sense of fairness among employees and reduces the risk of internal conflicts related to pay disparities. Attract and retain talent. Establishing a fair and transparent job evaluation system enhances an organization's ability to attract and retain top talent. Employees are more likely to stay with a company that values their contributions and compensates them appropriately. Performance measurement. Job evaluation provides a basis for evaluating employee performance. By aligning compensation with job responsibilities and expectations, organizations can create a performance-oriented culture. Organizational structure. Contribute to the development and maintenance of a clear organizational structure. Job evaluation helps define roles and responsibilities, aiding in organizational design and ensuring that each position aligns with the overall objectives of the company. Motivation and morale. Fair compensation practices boost employee motivation and morale. When employees perceive that their contributions are recognized and rewarded appropriately, it positively impacts job satisfaction and overall organizational culture. Legal compliance. Job evaluation helps organizations ensure compliance with legal requirements related to equal pay for equal work. By systematically assessing and documenting the value of different jobs, organizations reduce the risk of legal challenges related to compensation discrimination. Strategic workforce planning. Job evaluation contributes to strategic workforce planning by providing insights into the relative value and importance of different roles. This information is valuable for making informed decisions about resource allocation, recruitment, and talent development. Why job evaluation methods matter? Selecting the right job evaluation method is crucial as it can directly impact the fairness and effectiveness of your compensation system. The chosen method will determine how jobs are assessed, ranked, and compensated, influencing employee morale, motivation, and retention. Moreover, It can also have legal and compliance implications, making the selection of a method a significant decision for organizations. Common job evaluation methods. Point factor method. The point factor method breaks down jobs into factors such as skill, responsibility, and working conditions. Each factor is assigned a weight or point value. Jobs are then evaluated based on these factors, and a total point score determines the job's compensation level. This method provides a more detailed analysis of job roles. Ranking method. In the ranking method, jobs are compared based on their overall value to the organization. They are ranked from the highest to the lowest, with the highest ranked job considered the most valuable. This method is relatively straightforward, but may not provide a nuanced understanding of job differences. Classification method. The classification method involves grouping jobs into predefined categories or grades based on their characteristics. Each grade is assigned a specific pay range, and jobs are categorized accordingly. This method can be useful for maintaining consistency, but may not consider the full scope of job differences. Market pricing method. The market pricing method relies on external market data to determine the compensation for jobs. Jobs are matched to similar roles in the external job market, and their pay rates are adjusted accordingly. This method is particularly useful for staying competitive in the job market. In conclusion, job evaluation is an essential tool for building a fair, transparent, and productive workplace. By investing in a robust system, organizations can create a foundation for sustainable growth and success.